Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking through with you how to start a product business. As you know, I am the owner of Oso.Curly, which is a product business. We sell hair tools and accessories, which I've sourced from outside of the UK and within the UK, so I have a lot of experience with sourcing products and launching a product business. I also have a course, the link will be down below to sign up or to purchase the How to Start a Product Business from Scratch course, which covers everything from the idea all the way to operating and selling your first ever product. I've got my notes and I'm going to go through how to start your own product business. So we're just going to cover the basics today, but if you need further information, again, check out the links down below in my bio. The number one is you will have to find a product, obviously. So think of the type of product that you want to sell, and then it's time to source where to get that product from. I love to use Alibaba.com. That is where I've sourced a lot of my products that I've sold in the past and present, and that is a great platform for you to search for any type of product and find suppliers, manufacturers outside of the UK and US that are happy to sell products to you at a lower price because you are buying in higher quantities that you then go ahead and sell on. You can even get the products customized with your logo, different colors. Even you can design a product and see if they can alter it and make it to the way that you would like it. That is all through Alibaba.com, and you can contact and speak with suppliers directly via their messaging service. So this is a great place for you to start to do your product research and sourcing and really finding out what is hot on the market out there. They have a homepage which shows you what's currently trending, so you can have a look at that and see what type of products people are buying over the world and what's most popular. Then you can go ahead and search through suppliers that actually sell that product, make a spreadsheet of the different prices and quotes that you get from them, and then go ahead and order samples. So Alibaba.com is an amazing place for you to start your product business journey. Personally, I use Alibaba.com for my tools, and then I use manufacturers here in the UK for my satin accessories. So you can also source within your home country, and that is simply by doing Google searches, looking at local seamstresses or people in your local area that can help you to make whatever that product is. Or you can go down the route of drop shipping, which is something I haven't done myself, but basically what it means is that you don't hold any product. So the product is with the supplier, and then when you get an order from a customer, you buy it from the supplier and the supplier sends it to the customer. You don't hold any product, you don't have to deal with the packing and the posting. All you do is just make clicks. Really and truly, all you do is you click on the computer and you have a whole business that's operating. However, there are pros and cons to that, but we won't get into that today, but that is another option for you too. So number two is finding out your brand, your name, your business name, what your business is all about, what you stand for. So for example, we'll use Oso.Curly, and Oso.Curly is a name that came to me because I wanted it to be obviously the keyword curly. That is the audience that I'm going after, that is my customers. The products are all based around maintaining healthy and natural curly hair, but I wanted everything to be really fun, so I don't know why just the quote "oh so curly" came to mind. Like, oh so, when you look at the products you're like, oh so curly. It's just something very short, snappy and catchy that I thought would work really good for the brand. Think of some names that could work good for you, but don't let that stop you in the process. If you can't find a name, just keep continuing with your product development and your business development, and a name should come to you. Ask friends and family, do some research online, and then you want to go ahead and search that it hasn't been taken already. And you can do this via the government website, via GoDaddy, to see if anyone has done that domain name, which would be www.osocurly.com. If someone had already taken that, I probably wouldn't name my business Oso.Curly. just because it makes things difficult. Once you know that no one else has the brand name, you can go ahead and register that. But that also is in another video of mine. If you check out the video how to make your business official, I will leave it in the link down below and up here. That will explain to you the whole process of doing that, registering your name and so on. Number 3 is your sales channels. So now that you have your product and your name, you want to think about how you're going to sell your products. So whether that is via Etsy, eBay, Amazon, via DMs, you drive in to drop off the products to people. If you are doing food business and you're making it in your kitchen, are they going to come and collect it to you? Are you going to sell online via Shopify or your own website, Squarespace? So you need to really think about what's going to work well for you. With Oso Curly, we started on Big Cartel, which was a free sales platform, so you can sell your products online for free. It's only free for a certain amount of products, and I think there's a few limits to the website. It doesn't look as professional as like what a Shopify would look like. After Big Cartel, we moved to Squarespace, which was okay, but I really prefer Shopify. Shopify is the best. Oh my god, the ka-ching sound when you get a sale is just the best feeling. But aside from that, the back end of Shopify is just amazing. It has loads of apps and I love the analytics that it gives you too. So I would recommend Shopify. I have a free trial for Shopify down below too, so check that out. Number 4 is your marketing and just your market in general. I always recommend that you start your social media pages straight away, because let's be honest, everyone is on social media nowadays. That is how you're going to be finding your target audience and how they were more likely to find you. If someone is looking for food online, desserts, they are most likely to come across you and then buy from you. So it's a great way, instead of like the old-fashioned days where you'd have to pay for ads in magazines, newspapers, radio. Nowadays you can really start with no budget and for free and gain organic traffic to your store. I have a class on how to create content that sells. It's a free masterclass down below. Definitely check that out, because I go through all the different social medias, how you can create content that will attract your audience and actually persuade them to buy after they've seen your content and your page. Along with that, you can include email marketing too. So when you have your social media, if you don't have a sales platform yet, what you can do is create a landing page which will gather people's email addresses, so that when you are ready to launch, you can just send out an email to all of the customers that have signed up, and they will know that your website is live and that they can go ahead and start buying. So if you can't get a website, definitely get a landing page to put in your bio and just to send out to people who are interested. And number 5 is to set up your operations. So you've got your sales platform. Now how are you going to send your products? Are you going to go to the post office and handwrite the labels out and just pay for the stamps there and put it in the post box? Are you going to buy a printer and a label printer and print your labels at home and then go to the post office and they scan it? That's what I typically do at the moment. So it's all up to you and what works for you and what's within your budget. You can go with Royal Mail, you can go with DHL, DPD. There's different services for you to choose from. Just do some research and then you can plan ahead at how you're going to operate your business. The one thing that I want to really round up things on is testing out your product. Please do not buy a product and start selling it straight away. You really want to get that sample and perfect the sample, test it, send it to friends and family for them to test. Test it over a long amount of time too, especially if it's hair products or cosmetics. You need to make sure that people aren't going to have allergic reactions. It's not going to ruin your hair or your skin over time. So just do a lot of testing in the beginning stages before you actually go ahead and sell to the general public and people that don't even know you, because your friends and family are going to be kind to you, but someone that is completely new, a stranger, is not going to be kind if things go wrong. So that is my key point and takeaway from this video. Of course, the steps in this video aren't enough information for you to go ahead and actually start. So if you want to know how to start a product business, definitely check out my course down below. I have loads of modules on every single section that you need and everything that you need to start a product business, from financial templates, product sourcing templates. I have loads of different modules that will talk you through every single stage of starting your product business. So definitely check that out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any further questions, as always, leave them in the comment section down below. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.